Hello friends, welcome to the Adobe Dreamweaver CC 2019 Essential Training. In this series, we will discuss each and everything, lots of things about the Dreamweaver. So in this video, I will tell you what exactly the Dreamweaver is, and I will also explain about the interface of the Adobe Dreamweaver. So Adobe Dreamweaver is a software that you can use to build or design the websites, and you can also publish websites directly from the Dreamweaver to your online hosting or online server. So the software interface, you can see when you open the software, you can see something like this. On top there is a menu bar, just like in other software we have, and the options we can see like file, edit, view, insert, tools, find, site, window, and help. And on the right side you can see different panels like files, insert, CSS designer, and assets, snippets, DOM here. So if you want to open any panel, we can open from here like insert and CSS designer like this. And these panels you can also show or hide from the Windows sections, like from here if you want. For example, behaviors, so see the behavior is here. So any panel if we want, we can show or hide from here. And this is called Workspace. Like we have standard and developer. If you click on developer, you can see the interface will change like this. So in start you will select standard, and on the left side you can also see there are different options that we will discuss, obviously, like open document and lots of other things there are on the left side. And in bottom you can see like I have properties. If your interface is different from this, so you can also set the panels like this. For example, properties panel is not here, you can click on window and then click properties, or simple control plus F3 you can also press on your keyboard. And for example, the properties is like this, so you can drag and drop like this on the bottom. The insert panel is very famous and it used too much when we are designing the websites in Adobe Dreamweaver. So you can also move this insert panel from here to there like this. I personally like the insert panel here, so you can see everything. We can switch also from here. In Dreamweaver we can use different types of documents like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP. All of them we will discuss. And here you can see like each and everything, like something like about PHP or ASP, or we can also use jQuery mobile and jQuery UI we can use. So different things we can use from here. If you have heard about the Bootstrap is a mobile responsive framework. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript mobile responsive framework. We can also use Bootstrap here. We can also see starter templates here, lots of starter templates which we can select to build the websites. Even for the email templates we can use, like you can see here, email responsive. There are lots of things like you can see. In quick start you can see like this. So the documents like HTML and JavaScript, all of these we can create here, or we can open also. So this is the part first of my Adobe Dreamweaver CC 2019 Essential Training, and in the next video I will show you that how we can define the site folder in Adobe Dreamweaver CC 2019. Thank you very much for watching, and also subscribe my channel and like the video, and also submit your comments, your feedback. Thank you very much once again.